So in the last video, I showed you how to send records from Web of Science to your EndNote account. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sort and create a bibliography in EndNote with those records. So first, you want to make sure that you're signed into your Web of Science account. I just started right where we left off. As a reminder, these three records that have an EN are the ones that I just saved to the EndNote online account. You want to save the full records when it pops up and asks you. You can tell that you're signed in. It has your name here. So I'm signed in. What we want to do first is click on the EndNote tab up here. This will take you to your EndNote account since we're already signed in. And when you send these files, you can kind of digitally organize them. Maybe you have a bunch of different articles for one project, but you want to file them with separate categories to keep track of them all. Or maybe you have a bunch of simultaneous different projects going on, but you can actually rename your records to whatever works best for you. We're going to click on Unfiled here, and this is going to show my most recent ones. Okay, so some of these are from a different search, but we're going to pick the ones that I just sent over. So if we check those three here, and then click Add to Group, I can either add to a group I've already made, or I can click New Group and create a whole separate group. So we're going to name it Termites 4. And when I hit OK, you can see that those records went into this file folder. So those are the three that I had just sent over from Web of Science to EndNote, and they're now under the folder Termites 4. And I have 3 records in there. Okay. If we click on Format at the top of the page here, and then Bibliography, you pick which references you want to create into a bibliography. So we're going to look at the ones that I just added over in the group Termites 4, and then you pick your bibliographic style. So for this class, you're going to want to use ecology, but as you can see, look at all the different styles. It's ridiculous. It's so awesome. So we're going to go to ecology. Oh, where did I go? There we go. And then file format, you want to pick RTF, Rich Text File. And then we have a couple different options here. If we do preview and print, it's going to preview, and then you can print your bibliography. We may have to re-enable pop-ups, so good example here because I forgot to do that. So we're going to allow pop-ups, preview and print. Here we go. So here's your bibliography, and it's already in the correct ecology format that you need. And you can print this page, or you can just know that you have it and add to it, and when you're ready, you can do that. You can email it to yourself or to your classmates if you're working on a project together. So you can put in their email. You can add a message if you want, and then your RTF formatted bibliography will automatically be sent, which is super cool. It's a lot less work for you. Or you can hit save. And if you save it, it'll pop up. Here we go. It's working. Sorry about this. Okay, if we save it, it'll open up your bibliography in Word eventually. Well, as you can see, you have a couple different options. You can pick your bibliographic style. For this class, we're going to use ecology, but there's hundreds of different options. So definitely use EndNote for this class and other classes to organize and save your work. And then you have the different options to save, email to yourself or to classmates, or preview in print, and it'll already be correctly formatted for you and everything. It's a really awesome tool that I hope that you use. Your tuition is paying for it. Use it while you can. And if my word would work, it would be your correctly formatted bibliography. I'm going to give it one more second, or otherwise you're just going to have to try it out for yourself. Okay, I'm sorry, my internet's being ridiculous, but, oh, okay, I had to threaten it, but here you go. Here's your properly formatted ecology bibliography using those records that we've already picked.